Did you ever wonder what exactly is single laser technology? What's in it for me? And what is the difference between single and dual laser technology? Let's take a closer look at both setups. First things first, to set up a dual laser system, you need to adjust both lasers so that they hit the opposite detector. This takes at least twice as much time than adjusting one single laser. Some simply say that the greater the distance between the laser and sensor, the greater the accuracy. This may be true, but the real challenge starts as soon as you introduce angular misalignment. In real life, no shaft is perfectly aligned. There is always a degree of angular misalignment. What happens when you are trying to align over a long distance, for example, a spacer shaft? Physics show that the larger the distance between two machines, or between laser and sensor, the greater the offset for a given angular misalignment, and the more likely the laser will move out of the detector area when you rotate the shaft, making it impossible to measure. With PRUFTECHNIK single laser bi-detector technology, the distance between two machines or the length of the spacer shaft never affects the measurement. Why? Measurement results are always precisely calculated based on the distance between the two detectors that are combined into one sensor. The bottom line, no matter the distance, you can always measure with the same accuracy. To solve the detector range issue, our systems use a special function that extends the measurement area to an unlimited size without any loss of accuracy. Using PRUFTECHNIK technology, you can measure any amount of misalignment. This means that there is no need for pre-alignment, and you can always measure and document the initial alignment condition of the machine. This is what we call precision alignment. Now, you know why. PRUFTECHNIK, your partner for precision maintenance.